Hey everyone, I want to thank the brand for sending me this set of 6 essential oils to try. There's different fragrances here. We've got Clean Fresh Cotton, Blossom Soap, that one's pretty floral. Laundromat, that's a crisp, clean scent. Pure White Comfort, that was just like one of my favorite candles. Fluffy Towels, also really pleasant. And then Fresh Linen definitely has that fresh linen scent. So you can use these in such a variety of ways. Oil burners, scented candles, aroma stones. I even thought about putting these in a bag of potpourri and like giving it a little extra scent and giving them away as gifts. Today I'm going to use it in my oil diffuser. So we're going to put this over here. And this is great, for my meditation sessions. I think today I'm going to go with Fresh Linen. So let's see here. Let me put this like this. And just like most every other essential oil that you get, they do come with that little plug on top so that it's just calculated how much you can pour out, so that only a couple drops will come out at a time. If I give it a good shake, you can see I've got a couple drops on there, and really that's all you need. I also was able to put this on some of like laundry balls instead of using fabric softener, and that worked really well too. So as you can see, the oil's on there. It's getting ready to do its thing. I've got my meditation space set up. And so for me, this will probably be how I use it, but they're all really nice scents. And I think that's going to make a great gift for anybody who's into meditation, wellness, clean laundry, making DIY gifts, all of that kind of stuff. So would definitely recommend it. And thanks again to the brand for letting me give it a try.